This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
All right, I have painted turntables. I have painted vintage video game consoles. I've painted massive buildings, but today I'm painting the most peculiar and spooky canvas of them all. Paint pumpkins.
Does that sound good? Go get some pumpkins.
It's Juniper's first Halloween. Chelsea is also gonna be painting these pumpkins with me, and she has a track record of kind of putting me to shame. So I'm excited to see what she paints. I'm excited to see what I paint, and maybe even little young Juniper is gonna paint something too. Young Juniper, AKA Julia Roberts.
We're going to the pumpkin patch.
We're going to the pumpkin patch. Let's go.
Let's go. Hi, Junie. Hi. Yeah, that's so sweet. Ooh, spooky, scary werewolf bar mitzvahs.
We are officially at the pumpkin patch, AKA the art supply store. Let's go see what kind of canvases we can find.
Yeehaw.
What's up, bro? What's up, girl? Damn, bro, you looking good. Dang, all the homies are here. What's up, man? Don't leave me hanging. Excuse me, do you know which way it is to the pumpkin patch? Is it that way or? All right. Quiet type, that's all good. What do you think of these ones, June? Do you like these ones? I think we need one big chungus one.
Whoa, look at this picture.
Ooh, yeah, the $15 section.
We need a wagon.
Got my wagon, time to load it up. I think this one has my name written all over it. People, let me tell you about my best friend. How about this like pear-shaped one right here? What do you think? You don't like
I'm just kidding. No, go for it.
Don't judge my pumpkin choices. We're gonna need another wagon. Uh-oh. How many pumpkins can I stack in this wagon before it falls over? And can I even move it? Slowly.
Ah, the skies are darkening and the witching hour is fast approaching.
Whoa, scary. See you later, ladies. Wagon number 2. Are we supposed to keep track of the prices of all these? Because I have not been.
Me either.
Oh my lord, we need some gourds. That looks like something that a dragon would be born out of. Now that's textury.
Yeah.
Whoa, that one's crazy. The two-tone. I'm the chairman of the gourd. Your total for your pumpkins comes to $2,857.93.
15. This one's 8, 47, 49,
And then there's 6 of those little tiny ones.
50, 51.
Oh, cash and check only. We're not prepared.
You don't have cash?
No,
Or a check?
no. Can we pull these to the side and go get some cash?
You absolutely can.
Why did we assume a little farmer's pumpkin patch would be able to take our debit cards?
Because
We're city folk, that's why.
city folks.
Back at the pumpkin patch, here we go. 51. All right, we got pumpkins.
We got pumpkins,
Let's
June.
get painting. Okay, we have made it back to the studio with our pumpkins, and it is time to paint. Hey, Junie. Yeah. So what are we gonna paint, wifey?
I don't know. I have a couple ideas.
Oh, do you?
I was thinking Frankenstein and his bride.
Ooh.
We could each do one.
Like I do Frankenstein's monster, and you do the Bride of Frankenstein? Okay.
Or like some ghosts.
Okay, not as strong. Yeah, I like the Frankenstein and Bride of Frankenstein.
That's kind of the only idea I had.
Juniper's just gonna go full on Jackson Pollock and freestyle it. Yeah, let's paint some pumpkins.
Let's paint some pumpkins.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Boo.
Oh, I'm scared. I scared myself.
All right, I have never painted a pumpkin before, so I have no idea where to start. I think first things first, we should just wipe these suckers down.
Give him a bath.
Give him a little sponge bath. And then you know what I was thinking? Anyone who's watched my channel before know I'm a huge fan of matte medium. So I was kind of thinking if I laid down a matte medium base, it would be clear, and then the paint that I put on the pumpkin might play nicer with the pumpkin.
snap.
I don't know. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So that's the first steps, I guess.
To the spa.
To the spa!
Yeah, happy Halloween, y'all. We gon' paint some pumpkins, get them out of clean, y'all. Double, toiling trouble. Zombies walking through the rubble. Werewolves growing lots of stubble. Oh. Then we grab the matte medium. Channel the spirits. I am a medium. I am always painting something, and it's Halloween, baby. Might as well paint a pumpkin.
Okay, the matte medium is on the pumpkins and it is drying. Wow, that's a sentence I never expected myself to say. Anyway, while these pumpkins with their matte medium on them dry, I gotta let you know that this video is brought to you by Squarespace.
Squarespace.
Squarespace is an all-in-one dynamic platform where you can...
Dynamic. Pew, pew, pew.
where you can build a beautiful website with Squarespace's beautiful templates.
Thank you.
It's never been easier to build a website. All you gotta do is take your awesome content, drop it into their beautiful templates, and boom, you have a website.
Boom.
I personally have been using Squarespace for years and years to build
Years.
my website, 1000art.com. It's like the center to my whole business. And
Ask the Google.
Get out of here. And honestly, if I can build a website, you can too. But if you do run into any issues, they have 24/7 customer support, and they've helped me out of a few issues in the past. So whether you're an artist or a designer or a freaking professional
Freaking mom.
or a mom or a professional pumpkin painter, you deserve to have a beautiful website. Go to squarespace.com to start your free trial. And when you're ready to launch your site, go to squarespace.com/1000 for 10% off the first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks, Squarespace, for sponsoring these pumpkins.
Thank you.
It's time to get painting. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, it's time to start working on these pumpkins.
Thanks.
Chelsea, do you have your reference photo already? Because I do not have my reference photo.
just Googled Bride of Frankenstein.
Can you see it? Get my face out of there. Should I just go with the super classic?
Yeah, I think so, because that's what I'm doing.
Wow, our baby's rolling around like a little tumbleweed.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take lots of juniper breaks. So I'm using the General's charcoal white pencil. I hope that it shows up and works on this pumpkin. Chelsea wanted to go straight up tradish.
You know, keep her tradition up in here.
All of these little grooves and freaking wibbly wobblies are gonna be tough.
And I don't really
And I don't
paint people.
draw from reference very much. This is gonna be bad.
I don't do anything.
I think this is gonna be bad. Wish Slew was here to show me how to draw portraits. I've been saying Frankenstein's monster so far, every point in this video, because I know the comments are just gonna be like, it's not Frankenstein, it's Frankenstein's monster. Frankenstein was the doctor who made him, Peter. It's all about the sketch. Once I get the sketch down, then it's kind of game over. Painting is the easy part. Everybody out there's rooting for you, Chelsea.
Nobody's rooting for me.
Nobody's rooting for me.
Nobody's rooting for me. Damn.
Patooey! If you're not putting spit into your art,
Patooey!
you're not working hard enough on it.
Shakooey!
I channel the power of Slew.
Love.
We gotta do a
Come upon me.
Slew seance. How's that pencil working out for you?
Way better.
I might switch to pencil.
Way better than what you're doing.
Sometimes they can't all be wins. You gotta show the failures. First time I tried realism is on a freaking pumpkin. Stupid. All right, beautiful wife of mine. How do you feel about your sketch? I think my sketch is to a place where I can start painting.
Mine is too. I think I got the idea.
You got the general gist of things?
Yeah.
So I think it's time we get painting. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's paint some pumpkins. I wanted to start my pumpkin by basically just refining my sketch with the paintbrush. It was really hard to use the charcoal pencil. It was really hard to use the regular pencil, so I kind of just went in there and started sketching with the paint. That way I could see what the heck I was actually doing. It is day 2. This one got a little bit fussy yesterday, so we called it quits early yesterday. But hopefully today we can finish these pumpkins. How you feeling about where your pumpkin's at so far, wifey?
A lot better than I was at the beginning.
I'm struggling. Pumpkins are a really hard surface to paint on. So I guess now it's just time to get back into painting these, hopefully finish today, and it'll be the happiest Halloween of them all. Ooh, here we go. The hardest part about painting pumpkins is hands down the grooves. Trying to get your brush in those little seams and grooves that a pumpkin naturally has is really tricky. Another thing that was super tricky is just painting on a round surface. If I looked at it from low, the proportions would look one way. If I looked at it from straight on, they would look another way. This whole painting project was like one big optical illusion. Yo, Frankie's finally starting to look like something. Let's check in on what Chelsea's doing. She's alive! She's alive! The constant June taking care of activities is definitely slowing down our painting. One of the most fun parts about this project is that it's not 1000 style. I hesitate to call it realism because, you know, Frankenstein ain't real, but I was going for a bit more of like a portrait style. That's not something that I usually do. Whoa, whoa, that's my paintbrush. She's a monster. Damn it. I was just getting ready to varnish this thing and I totally like dropped it. Now it's all scratched up right here. Now I have to fix this. Gosh, that freaking sucks, man. God, I am so freaking annoyed with myself right now. I thought I was done with this pumpkin. Now it's time to fix it. God.
I got poop on my leg, June.
Chelsea has poop on her leg. I got scratched up Frankie. Maybe it just adds to the spooky Halloweenness of the whole thing.
I know.
Gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's just gonna get worse and worse. Should I matte medium this again? Matte medium, we're gonna lay it down. Dude, the more I try to get these flakes off, it just rips off more and more and more. Gotta do some freaking surgery on this. This has gone from an art creation channel to an art restoration channel. Gosh, I'm so freaking pissed right now. Welcome to Peter's Art Repair channel. You know what's crazy is I had it sitting on that cart and I was like, okay, this does not seem like the most sturdy thing. Let me set up this table. And then when I went to transfer it from the cart to the table, the cart slipped. Pumpkin hit the ground. Now we must revive the Frankenstein. Bring him back from the dead. I'm just gonna kind of do this fast and loose. Because who's really looking at this neck?
At least it was down there, though.
Yeah, if it would have been on the face, I would have just deleted this whole video. Like, I guess this is a Chelsea solo video.
Welcome to my channel.
Peter quit. He quit YouTube forever after the great pumpkin incident of 2021. Just a few pink glazes, and then I think we should be good. A little bit of this bounce light. We're just gonna call that, okay. Could have been worse. All right, thanks for watching Peter's Art Restoration. I think we're done with this one. All right, let's try this again. Hopefully no mistakes happen this time. Okay, June, is it time to paint your pumpkin, baby? This is your first art project. Oh, it's in there. Okay, just Jackson Pollock that pumpkin. Yeah! That is a beautiful piece of modern art. Dang, June, I love your textures. I love your color scheme. Teal and orange, just like your dad. Oh, that looks awesome. It's so spooky. Might as well just do this side a little bit too.
It feels nice.
Yeah, does that feel good? Dang, I love it. I freaking love it, June. Dang, she just put us both to shame.
I know, this looks good.
Good job, baby. Okay, let's let it dry. Let's get you cleaned up.
That looks so cute, actually.
Yeah, you did a good job, Junie.
And I'll put her name.
Now June can be like, I made my first custom piece at 4 months. Am I just like a biased parent, or does that actually look dope? All right, Chelsea, did you finally finish your pumpkin?
I did.
You know what that means?
What?
It's time for the final, sexy, spooky. We're running out of time! All right, that's it for this one. Happy freaking Halloween, y'all. I gotta set this down. Yeah. It was super fun painting those pumpkins. It was super crazy painting those pumpkins. And I had a wonderful time with my beautiful wifey making some art together. Oh, yeah, da, da, da. Hey, guess what, guys? I'm actually having a super epic Halloween sale over on my website, 1000art.com. For those of you that are like kind of into my merch and follow my merch, you know that I very rarely do sales, so go check that out now through the end of October. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm 1000. I'll catch you on the next one.